Here is today's lunch, El Camino.
Starting to see
We're on Highway 60 heading to the VLA array. It's about 40 miles. Hey, we made it to Magdalena.
15. I don't see any kids. Do I even see a school? No. Historic marker. End of school zone. Oh, Cibola National Forest. So we can activate here. Cibola. Nope. That's got a POTA number.
Hey, the Ponderosa.
Hall Hotel.
It's a brick building. It's been there a while. It says the bank.
Whoa,
Yeah.
it's now Sandwich Cafe.
Now it's the Sandwich Cafe Bank.
Things that make you want to go,
There's a brick building. What's that say?
Indian Mercantile. Heads and Tails Taxidermy. Get it? Heads and Tails?
It's
Har. Wow.
Hey, look at this. There is a diner.
Wow.
Yeah, look at that. Actually, I think it's a service station of some kind.
A diner, not a dive.
Could be a diner or a dive, and you got the fuzz here, so he's just watching.
He's doing that. He's waiting to catch somebody coming in at over 30.
Yes, well, there you go, Magdalena. Outskirts of Magdalena, about 20 miles from the Very Large Array, or VLA.
Is that one down on the right-hand
That's
side
what
of the road?
I mean, the left hand. Yeah, there's one on the right too.
That looks pretty close.
Yeah.
That must be the one he was talking about.
Can we stop on the side of the road or no?
Yep. Yes, we do. Rick does. Stop on the side of the road. See, they're on there. See, Lee?
Yeah, you better slow down then. We're getting there.
No, I'm the only one going in this direction, so they can come to a dead stop if they need to.
Oh, the parking's on the left.
Yep. This is Turista parking.
Turista.
And the rails do go.
Let's have a look around. You can see all the dishes there online. The 25-meter dish here, and they're all the same. Railroad tracks. You can see the line of dishes that radiate out from the center over there.
They could be.
I'm here at the very large array in New Mexico. Great place, Socorro, New Mexico. A special machine picks these dishes up and moves them around to different locations depending upon the focal point. If we look down the rail, you can see all the dishes in line here. If I look behind now, you can see the dishes all in line here as well. And they all go back to the center there, which is the focal point of the circular dish here, made up of all the individual dishes. It's pretty cool. It starts here, works here, to there, to there, to there, and to there.